All right, guys, so currently today we're working on a few maintenance and repair items here on Camper Dan. I've actually already took care of one thing, although I didn't record it, but I'll just show you guys now. I think you can already guess what it is. So my keys in the trunk, and voila. Yeah, we couldn't do that before. You open this thing and it wouldn't lift on its own. These lift struts, they're super duper strong at pushing the glass out. The next thing I'm gonna do is a mod that's gonna allow me to remotely open this thing without having to physically come back here with the key every time. I'm gonna mount a switch on my dash, just push the switch and poof, out comes the rear hatch glass. That's gonna be a composition of some wiring, a door lock actuator off of a Infinity QX4, and then of course the switch also to be harvested from a QX4. But yeah, I love it. Having the ability to open it is sweet, you know, being able to not just open it, but it support itself. The lift struts on the actual trunk lid itself, they're still working, but even those, I'm gonna swap those guys out soon. But these pair of struts, I was able to get them from Rock Auto. I believe it was about 23 bucks for the pair.